नहीं, एग्जाम है वहां रिलैक्सेशन नहीं है, या तो फिर एग्जाम नहीं है. Like 15-20 years back when people were appearing for exams, the attention span was high. As compared to the previous generation, it becomes very difficult for them to sit for 3 hours and writing papers. If you cannot focus upon one particular screen for more than 5-10 minutes, and all of a sudden then you need to switch for 3 hours long paper, so it would be difficult. And
नमस्कार, मैं प्रवीण पांडे और आप देख रहे हैं एजुकेशन पोस्ट न्यूज। और आज हम मौजूद हैं जो कि FWA और नारायण स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस जो है, नारायण बिजनेस स्कूल, इसके HR कॉन्क्लेव में। तो हमारे साथ यहाँ के स्कूल के फैकल्टी मेंबर्स एक मौजूद हैं। सबसे पहले इनसे हम बात करेंगे। सबसे पहले स्वागत है सर आपका। अपना छोटा सा परिचय कि हमारे ऑडियंस आपसे अवगत हो।
this side Dr. Jignesh Trivedi from Narayana Business School, and I am working as a professor and chairperson examinations over here.
सर, आज जो HR कॉन्क्लेव हुआ, आप उसमें पैनलिस्ट भी थे, तो आपको क्या लग रहा है उसका आउटकम क्या रहेगा?
अब HR कॉन्क्लेव में फर्स्ट राउंड डिस्कशन स्पीचेस थी, जो स्पीकर्स आए, और जो पैनल डिस्कशन था उसका आउटकम काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा, बिकॉज टाइटल जो था पीपल एनालिटिक्स. सो देयर वर HR members, like currently those who are working in HR department, they are there, along with our students were there. So students के mind में काफी dilemma होता है कि HR department अकेला किस तरीके से काम करता है, and plus student those who don't have inclination towards HR, they will also get to know that how people analytics is important, not related to only one department, but it is related to all different departments, and ultimately to achieve a success in career in any domain, how people analytics matter, that is HR is crucial for any single domain. तो पैनल डिस्कशन था जिसमें एकेडेमिया और इंडस्ट्री दोनों के पर्सपेक्टिव थे, एंड स्टूडेंट्स एंड बाकी ग्रुप ने ये सारे इंटरेक्शन का, आई एम श्योर दे विल हैव गुड एडवांटेज ओवर दिस.
सर, आपका डिपार्टमेंट HR से बिल्कुल अलग है। लाइक आप प्रोफेसर के साथ साथ एग्जामिनेशन डिपार्टमेंट भी होल्ड करते हैं। तो जब एग्जाम्स टाइम जब चल रहे होते हैं, तो ऐसे उस टाइम में क्या सिनेरियो, आपको प्लानिंग्स और उसका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन आप लोग कैसे करते हैं, जैसे एग्जामिनेशन स्मूथ हो पाए आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन में?
एकेडमिक कैलेंडर पूरे साल का एक बार फिक्स हो जाता है, एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर दैट in which month they will be having their examinations. जैसे we are running 2 courses, MBA PGDM, एक semester base है twice in a year, और एक trimester है thrice in a year. तो students are well aware about the dates, and accordingly faculties are advised to finish the syllabus before that time, so students are getting pretty break so that they can well prepared, and accordingly most of the things would be available on ERP as we are following, and we are digitalized campus. But from normal routing, as you said, as I am from HR, so the classroom behavior when I would be in class with students, so it would be different, and when exam starts, so some discipline related stuff and strictness, and the entire paradigm will get shift for some point of time.
रिलैक्सेशंस के लिए, स्टूडेंट के रिलैक्सेशंस के लिए कैसे कुछ जैसे कि कुछ मतलब एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम में कुछ रैक्स देते हैं स्मूथ, जैसे एग्जाम जाए, मतलब कुछ छूट मिलता है क्या स्टूडेंट को? वो डायरेक्टली मैं पूछ रहा हूँ।
नहीं, एग्जाम है वहां रिलैक्सेशन नहीं है, या तो फिर एग्जाम नहीं है. So there is no relaxation. We expect that students should well prepared and come on time and spend entire 3 hours of time. So whatever knowledge he has attained, he or she could pass on better. So at least they can progress with better grades. And that is what, like, any industry will only allow them to enter when there would be a good CGPA on grade sheet. So that is one of the core benchmark. Neither we avoided nor this generation or next generation can avoid. So exam is a kind of evaluation. So they have to be serious. If they'll have relaxation during exams, so then they'll have some tough luck at the time of results.
अच्छा, एक सीधा सवाल। अभी के जनरेशन में जब जो बच्चे हैं, उनको लगता है कि पहले के जनरेशन वाले जो एग्जाम देकर अपना क्लियर कर गए वो आसान था, वो बड़ा मुश्किल फेस कर रहे हैं, और पहले के जमाने वाले जो लोग थे उनको लग रहा था कि हमारा टाइम बहुत ज्यादा टफ था। अभी लोग आसानी से एग्जाम क्लियर कर रहे हैं, पढ़ाई बहुत ज्यादा आसान हो गया है। तो आपको क्या लगता है, आप तो प्रोफेसर भी हैं, एग्जाम्स भी देखते हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है, आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है?
On a personal note, like, there is only one change. Like 15-20 years back when people were appearing for exams, the attention span was high because diversification options were very less. People did not have internet access, mobile, and limited TV access and all that. So somewhere down the line, attention span was high, and present generation is not at all fault, but because from the childhood they have so much access about mobile, internet, and so many other things, and that is why somewhere down the line the attention span is becoming quite narrower. And that is the reason, like, as compared to the previous generation, it becomes very difficult for them to sit for 3 hours and writing papers because of that insta reels kind of era. Your attention span has been limited from hours to minutes. So life, if you cannot focus upon one particular screen for more than 5-10 minutes, and all of a sudden then you need to switch for 3 hours long paper, so it would be difficult, and that's why they naturally feel that it is difficult to appearing into exam and clearing that exams.
अच्छा, एग्जाम्स की जब बात करते हैं तो कई सारे मजेदार किस्से भी एग्जामिनेशन में आते हैं। चीट करने का अलग अलग नुस्खे जो हैं स्टूडेंट अप्लाई करते रहते हैं। तो आपने कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल फेस किया है क्या, कुछ अलग टेक्निक चीट करने का?
This is like again, अगर मैं बोलने जाऊंगा तो it will go on, because every exam and every generation have its all different avenues to do this, but we make sure that it will remain into considerable limit. And students at PG level generally, they don't have that much creativity as what UG level students, like those who are coming straight away from their schools here in PG, and many of the students having some sort of work experience, so they are pretty aware like for what they are here, so they don't go into, and they are having that practical orientation as well, so we don't find such instances in big numbers.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर आपके इनसाइट्स के लिए। आपसे बहुत अच्छा लगा बात करके। कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आने वाले जनरेशन को?
Like so many things which we have discussed in today's conclave also, so it is not a tip, it is a common recommendation, like what we learned from our ancestors. We just want to pass on that you should be focused upon your goal, and as and when you get a time to learn full time, you should embrace yourself and involve yourself so much into that, so you will have bright future which would be good for you and for your entire family. So that is the thing. Work hard and work more systematically, because this generation is benefited with better resources what the previous one did not have, so they can well utilize it, so it will make entire system and society good. थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, आपसे बात करके काफी अच्छा लगा। तो इसी के साथ मैं प्रफुल्ल पांडे इजाजत लेता हूं। तब तक के लिए बने रहे हमारे साथ एजुकेशन पोस्ट न्यूज पे। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।